I am a social scientist. I'm trying to understand how people behave, why they behave as they do, and if we can make the world better. I guess I'm somebody who is worried about the way our world is going. I built, when I was working at EDF R&D, a very large user lab. The Office of the Future, we were trying to design the best environment for digitized work in offices. And so for 10 years we observed people and we set up new systems to understand how they behaved. And installation theory is the result of this, why people behave as they do, and also how society or organizations support them in doing what they do, and finally how they are controlled and channeled into doing what they do. I think we need to change the world. I think it has become obvious to everyone now that the way we operate as a society is unsustainable. And so it turns out that when you understand how people behave and why they behave, and the theory shows the various layers by which human behavior is channeled by the design of affordances of the physical environment, by the embodiment of a series of skills by which people are naturally interpreting this environment, and by social control, by rules and institutions. When you understand how this works and how efficient, massively efficient this channeling is, then you can redesign behavior. And this is exactly what we need, because the way we behave currently is unsustainable. So even though it looks very ambitious, it is indeed quite possible, and not only possible but now necessary.